Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have quite the project going on here. And I've made my own bodice pattern that I hope comes out right. But look at all these pins. I need to line this fabric. It is not easy to sew. As you can see, it accordions, and so you have to be very careful feeding this through the sewing machine, even with a light foot setting, because the footing wants to flatten that out. So what I have here are both sides of my liner. Yeah, I know, I should have done this and this, but this was enough of a puzzle for me, so I stopped here. This is where I'm going to sew it. But look at all these pins just to hold these two fabrics together. I love this liner fabric. I use it for stain stopper for my Smart Dolls also. So let's get that going and see where we land. Today I'm excited to bring you my interpretation of Bridgerton's outfits, and I'm doing a collab with several other ladies. Tina from Tina's Reborn, Yetta from South African Dolls, or Dolls of South Africa, Dory's Dollies, Irene from Irene Huff's Doll Space, and Penny from Playful Doll Adventures. Thanks, ladies. This is so much fun. I can't wait to see your videos. I will have their channels linked down in my description. You will want to see every single one, I am sure. I am lucky enough to have a Smart Doll boy. We were using Smart Dolls today, and the first thing I thought when Tina invited us to do the Bridgerton collab was, ooh, I wonder if I could get the vest and the suit coat and the tie made. Well, they might not be the best, but I got them made. The vest could be a little higher, but I did like the fabric. It was much like Collins in the second season. And of course, this is my favorite part, the watch. And I used, for my boy, his shirt underneath, his white shirt and his collar is made from his stain-resistant pants and shirt that I made him. The pants are actually made like tights because I didn't want the black shoes touching his skin. He is a milk, and I'm a little concerned about staining. My little girl's dress, and you'll notice I've got the Great Experiment couple going on, and you will understand that, especially if you watch Queen Charlotte, the series on Queen Charlotte. There were Bridgerton. Did they do 2 or 3 seasons of Bridgerton? 2 so far, right? And then Queen Charlotte. Three. Is there 3? 2 or 3, and then Queen Charlotte. If you haven't seen Queen Charlotte, you will want to add that to it. Now I'm going to slip her shoes on. I wanted to get them standing side by side without her shoes on. Isn't she the most beautiful doll? I love her. She is a pair. Let me get that shoe over a little bit. Whoa, sweetheart. Forgot to extend the stand. I used a different pattern than other people today because I wanted to use this fabric that I had bought on clearance. It was not easy to work with. I don't think that this background is going to let this show how shiny this fabric is. And I gave her a bow in the back, like so many of the ladies on Bridgerton had, especially the young ladies. And then I gave her the first season headdress. And while in the show Bridgerton, they had ostrich feathers, I used goose. No, thank you for molting. Thank you for all these beautiful feathers. I'm gonna come out and get more later. Thank you, guys. Ooh, look at this. Not for what I'm doing right now, but lovely feather. Okay. Look at that one. Ah, little Jack. Don't chase that cat.
They did chase it. I missed it on film though.
We are just blowing here. Okay, I've got my feathers. So this is my couple, and I'm so happy to have these dolls. I am just blessed to have these dolls. So here is my Bridgerton couple, and I got to tell you, with all the errors that my outfits had, I'm actually very proud of them. Um, they are going to dance the night away till their carriage comes and separates them so they can think about, do they want to marry one another or not? It's a great show. If you don't watch Bridgerton, you can catch up. Netflix, right, Darren?
You know what? I'm not sure where.
I think it's Netflix. I'm not positive. And there is a new season coming in 2026. Thank you, each of the ladies. I really appreciate these collabs. They're so much fun. I am looking so forward to seeing your dresses, and that's where I'm heading next. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe. Go to each of these ladies' channels and do the same. Watch their video, like their video, leave a comment, and subscribe.